what's up, y'all? So welcome to Strategic Fasting. You're going to learn everything that you need to know about fasting because we've got a lot of experience and we've been doing this for a little bit. We've learned from a lot of different sources, and this is the best of the best as far as we know today. And of course, this will always be updated as we go forward. But we've been experimenting with fasting since about 2011. I can remember first coming out of NTP school, and it was still recommended to manage blood sugar handling that we have at least 3 meals in a day. And this is in the holistic world. And I just remember coming across a couple of books and naturally just not having this desire to eat anymore, just naturally embracing some space and wondering if that was okay. And a couple of books started to get my mind thinking in a different direction, So I remember reading the book Carb Night Solution, which is where we got our concept or our idea of consuming carbohydrates later in the day. It also talked about embracing space and periods of not eating. And then I read Brad Pilon's book Eat, Stop, Eat, and that was a big wake-up call and game changer. And so since 2011, we've been experimenting with and recommending that our clients and people that go through our progressions embrace space and periods of not eating, because we realize that's where a lot of the benefits come from this real food way of eating. And in fact, the eating part of it should be such a small part of our lives, and it's super enjoyable and we love it. But the magic of life happens when we're not eating, when we're out doing stuff, and there's all kinds of great things that come from it. And then of course, here in recent years, some really, really good books like The Complete Guide to Fasting by Dr. Fung, and then his follow-up book, The Obesity Code. He's also got a diabetes code, but they're all really, really great. And they talk about embracing space and periods of not eating. So when we think about what is fasting? What do we mean by fasting? What's the difference between fasting and starvation? Because I know for a lot of people, especially before it became such a popular term, when the term fasting came up, we thought about religious things and then also people starving to death. So basically fasting is you want to do it. Like starvation would be not self-induced. Fasting is self-induced. It is an act of willing abstinence from food, drink, or both for a specified period of time. And you think about it, we fast all the time. We're already fasting when we sleep. We're already fasting anytime we have some space in between meals. Even if you're eating multiple times in a day and 6 or 8 meals or some small snacks, you have some periods where you're not eating. And you fast naturally when you get sick and go through some other life situations. So strategic fasting is our way of incorporating the best of what we know from fasting into a methodology and a progression so that we can ease ourselves into it. And out of this, we get improved body composition, metabolic flexibility, and fat burning, all the health benefits that we're looking for from fasting. And all the while, we're trying to make this work in a modern lifestyle. And so I just want to address two fasting myths. So slower metabolism, burning muscle, low blood sugar, causes overeating, depletes nutrients. These are things that we hear from people that are against fasting, and we're going to address each of these as we go through this progression. So remember, we've got all of our handouts and resources available at our community website, which is at community.superhumantransformation.com, and we will see you guys in the next video.